Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious apple pies in Grow a Garden. First, you'll need to gather your essential ingredients. Plant 3 wheat and 3 apple trees in your garden plots. Remember to water them regularly for quicker growth. Once fully mature, harvest your 3 wheat and 3 apples. Don't forget to milk your cow for 1 bucket of fresh milk. Now that you have your ingredients, it's time to craft the pie dough. Approach your crafting table and open its interface. First, combine your 3 harvested wheat to produce 1 unit of flour. Then, take that freshly made flour and combine it with the 1 bucket of milk you collected. This simple step will yield your perfect pie dough, ready for the next stage. With your pie dough successfully crafted, the next step is to assemble your apple pie. Return to your crafting table or simply use your inventory. Combine the pie dough with your 3 freshly harvested apples. This action will transform your ingredients into 1 unbaked apple pie. Make sure you have sufficient space in your inventory for this new item. The final step is to bake your delicious apple pie. Take your unbaked apple pie and place it into your oven. It will take approximately 30 seconds to bake completely. Once it's golden brown and ready, you can remove it. Each perfectly baked apple pie can then be sold for a significant profit, typically around 150 coins, boosting your garden's earnings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.